Here's a C4, unique, especially in classics, 1992 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed. Actual miles, a little over 56,000 is all in this one. White in color, gray leather interior. Of course, the LT1 V8 underneath the hood. Take a look at that front fascia. LT1's paired up with automatic transmission, so automatic with overdrive trans. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. One thing I do want to mention is, yes, we realize the saw blades are flipped. That's a previous owner or tire shop that installed them that way. Current owner said represent it the way it is. Obviously, that's something very simple that could get flipped back and forth. If it is something you got to have them turned back around the other way, consult with your sales associate. It can be done. This one has the kind of the tinted blue or smoked blue transparent top. You'll see the undersides, interior, engine bay, the uniqueclassiccars.com website. If you're seeing it on YouTube, you just click down below this video. It's going to take you right there. Again, 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. We'll take a little closer look at the interior here. A few of the options on this car. It does have dual power seats. It also has the AC Delco Gold Series Bose stereo system to it. Electronic climate control. So take a look at the rear. Headlights work properly. We'll show you that too when we get it fired up. We're going to take a look underneath the hood. Let you hear it run. Sounds as you'd expect. You can see paint shows well on it. It's one of those cars, a lot of bang for the buck. Get into a Corvette without breaking the bank. Fun cars to drive. A lot of performance here for the money. Something else I want to mention is you'll see it on C4 some, how the steering column becomes loose because people use it to basically maneuver themselves in and out of the car with the assistance of the steering column or steering wheel. This one is nice and tight. It's not loose at all. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, all in this car. The rear hatch would have the release right here in the door, and the struts are working on the back of this one, just so you can see that that does stay up. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures too. We'll have your privacy cover back here also. That is working as it should. I'll go ahead and reach in there and just start this up. I'll show you the exact miles. So there you are, 56,482. You can see that. Of course, here's your driver's information. Warning lights area where you'd have lighting for any warning, nothing there. The only light we have on is the door ajar, because I don't have the door closed. There's the AM/FM cassette, Gold Series, Delco Bose. Click that on too for you. May have a little issue with the stereo if I better try it. Make you aware of that. Headlights. Working order. There it is. Again, LT1, 5.7 liter at 350. And it's paired up with that automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC, of course, monitored amenities. Under hood lights are working. Nice and clean and tidy. Sounds good. Looks good under here. And remember, it will come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10 years. And stick around to the end of the video. Of course, we're going to do a little driving video with it, so you can kind of take a virtual ride along with, I guess, if you will. 1992 C4 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. What, a little over 56,000 was it? UniqueClassicCars.com. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1992 Chevrolet Corvette in white. We do have a removable glass top on this car. This is an automatic on the center console. Our digital speedometer right now is reading in kilometers. Tachometer working well. Oil pressure reading about 55. The oil temperature is just coming over 100. The temperature gauge for the coolant has not moved. That may be inoperative. It is under 100. Battery gauge is showing about 14.5 volts as it should. Cruise control is functioning. Wipers also working. The air conditioning is blowing cold at the moment. Brakes work well. This car handles really well, as a Corvette should. Nice and tight steering. Doesn't lean into corners much. Nice rumble of that exhaust when you get on it. Leather factory bucket seats in this car are comfortable. Great car to take that roof off on a warm summer day. Very comfortable, nice handling Corvette. Take a look at all the pictures and read about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.